ki menteri rang ba na ka jela Meghalaya bat jela Assam kinla bane jurip lang ya ka wei na ki khat artli ki jaka ya kan at khapot hakatio balai mentau bnai nai weng arajar arpoi haba kren sigilat pathai ku bor u menteri rang ba ka Meghalaya Konrad K Sangma ul ong bolai kren lengba ka telefon bat u menteri rang ba ka Assam u himenta Biswa Sharma hakaba kilarai ban penjela ni ka por na ki benta ki regional committee ban IT kai phat saar ni lai teo nomor ka jingdon no election jit no mikmat steng samoi ul ong ba wat la ompat bu ya ka tarik banlet jurip lang re hakatio ka balai kin sala ban ya pen ben.
We had already decided that 30th of October would be the date in which the reports will be submitted. In between that, the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and myself have had 2 telephonic conversations, and both of us have decided that in lieu of the by-polls that came in, that we will extend the timing by another 2 weeks to 3 weeks to be given to the committees to submit the report. And in between that, anytime in between 10th to 15th of month of November, the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and myself will choose 1 or 2 locations where we'll make joint visits. So we have not confirmed the exact date, but because both of us have got different programs during that time, but around that time, so I would say 2nd week of November or max by the 3rd week of November, before this report is submitted, the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and myself will make visits to at least 1, if not 2, 3 locations. So that's why, as I said, we have not finalized. We have listed down 2, 3 locations, and based on whatever situation that is there, and based on overall convenience for all of us, and also looking at the overall messaging that we want to give to the people, a confidence-building message, we will choose the location.